how to transcribe your videos or your audio files in Descript. So first you want to open up your browser and then make sure you're signed into your account. Now, if you do not have an account, you can use the link in the description below to create a new account. And when you head to the home page, you should see what you want to do in here. So you can see transcribe my file. So if you drag and drop a file right there, which could be a video or an audio file. So for example, I'm gonna drag a example video or audio file right here to transcribe, and then click on get started. Now, as you can see, it's uploading the file and transcribing at the same time. You can also go back to the home page and go to projects, and now you want to click on new project, and you want to pick video project or audio project, depends on which kind of file you're trying to transcribe. So I'm going to pick audio file, and then I'm going to upload my audio file in here, drag and drop it there, which could be a video as well. Now just wait for it to upload and transcribe your file. And once it's finished uploading and transcribing, you should see your transcript on the left side right here. And you can adjust it by simply removing words or removing fillers using these tools or these AI tools on the right hand side. So you can simply remove filler words or remove retakes and do stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.